Hello guys, welcome back to another video and Eid Mubarak to you all. So today's video is not another how-to video. I'm just frying my Eid meat and I thought I should take you guys along with me. As you can see, my meat is already roasted. That's how we do it where I came from. You know, other states don't roast their meat. They just go ahead and boil it and then fry it. But here we roast it first before we fry. So I will now go ahead and slice it into small chunks before frying it. So I'll go ahead and add the fat and let it melt. I'm going to use it to fry the meat instead of using oil, but if yours is not enough, you can add a little bit of oil in it. In case you don't understand what this is, you can check my previous video. I explained what it is in the video. So while I wait for it to heat up, I'll go ahead and season my meat and spice it as well. So it has heated up exactly the way I wanted it. Then I'll go ahead and start frying the meat. So I am done with the first batch and I'll go ahead and do the same with the rest of the batches. So I'm almost done with all the batches. I will just finish this one off camera and get back to you. So guys, this is the final look and we've come to the end of today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.